In this video, we will try to understand how to start the debug and how to stop the debug. Actually, already we are aware of that. Debugging helps to analyze the program execution by starting, running, and stopping the code with or without the breakpoints. These commands allow developers to control the execution flow efficiently during the debugging. Actually, earlier chapter we already had experience about how to start, how to run the program without debugging. Actually, start without debugging useful for to test the programs without the breakpoints. So now we will try to understand how to start the debugging. So if you want to start the debugging, there is a one option in the debug menu. So if you are going to select that option, anyway we are going to use that option in the program. So when we are going to start the debugging option from the debug, then we are going to attach the debugger. So then we can allow the breakpoints and we can execute the code step by step. And moreover, if there are no breakpoints while debugging, it runs normally. Compiler runs the program normally until an exception occurs. If the exception is happened, then compiler going to be stop the program. Now, how we are going to stop the debugging? So to stop the debugging, we have to use the one kind of a command, that is shift to F5. So by using the shift F5, we can stop the debugging immediately. And then once we are going to use the debugging, so the program terminates the execution. We will see again these 3 points: start without debugging, start debugging, and stop debugging, these 3 points in the program.